Namaskar. So we at aadyog are bringing a new course, Marma Therapy. These are like pressure points in the body, 107 to be precise. And in Ayurveda, Charak, Rishi Shishrit, they have described this Marma points very well. And we at our ashram have conducted and using Marma therapy to heal various diseases. And in home environment, I think this is very useful for everybody to learn it, because these are pressure points. Let's suppose all of a sudden your BP is going high for no reason or going low for no reason. You know that, okay, you can press these pressure points just 15 to 18 times, that's it, and in one go, and you will feel better. And some of the other diseases which are like long-term diseases, they can also be contained using this pressure point. Some of the words I cannot use because of this legal issues, that you cannot say that this will heal you completely, blah blah blah. Yes, all right, so I hope you understand what I want to say. Now this is the course that we are bringing. This time I will do it on Zoom with you, live, one-on-one, full-on training. But later on, this course will be available only on download version. You can only download whatever we will do it now. So if you want to be a part of it, you want to learn Marma therapy, just follow the instructions in the description, and I will see you, and we will learn. It will take some days to learn, and you can put up your queries, your questions, given the details given below. Just go through it, and let's have a healthy lifestyle through your body. It's not my theory. It has been already given by very, very prominent rishis who created Ayurveda. Yeah, so I'm bringing forward this to you, and more and more people interested in this, we can have a healthy lifestyle in our home, in our fingertips, through our hands, through our body parts. I'll see you soon. Thank you.